Hi friends, welcome. I'm Buddy Wagner, your mental health professor. Do you worry incessantly about things that you have no control over, things that you can't change? If so, you've come to the right place. Today I want to share with you a technique called paradoxical intention. This was created by Viktor Frankl. And with paradoxical intention, instead of trying to stop worrying, you worry more. You exaggerate your worrying and keep exaggerating it until it becomes ridiculous and you can laugh at it. So for example, let's suppose that you worry about your health, even though you eat correctly, healthily, you exercise regularly, you get enough sleep, you go to the doctor for an annual checkup and your doctor tells you that all of your signs or all of your numbers are good, that you're healthy, that there's nothing wrong with you, but you keep worrying about being healthy or about being sick and about dying. And so what might that look like? Let's suppose that physically you wring your hands when you worry. And so you want to wring your hands more and more and more. And in your thought process, you might say to yourself, I know the doctor says I'm healthy, but he's wrong. He's wrong. I'm not healthy. I'm sick. And I know even though all my numbers look good, I know that they're not good. I know that I'm going to get sick and I'm going to have to go to the hospital and I'm going to be in the hospital for months and maybe even years. And at some point I'm going to die and it's going to be a terrible sickness that I have, I'm going to be in so much pain and hurting and then I'm going to die a terrible death. I know that's what's going to happen. I know it. And so you keep exaggerating it until finally you can say, this is ridiculous. And you laugh at yourself and it no longer bothers you at that particular moment. Doesn't mean you won't worry about it again, but every time you begin to worry about it, take it to a ridiculous extreme so that you can laugh at yourself. I hope this has been helpful. If so, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you know someone who could use this, please pass it on to them. I'm Buddy Wagner, your mental health professor, wishing you the best of mental health.